Hey guys, and welcome. My name is Fox, and today we're trying another new thing. So my aunt and uncle recently went to Italy for their anniversary, and they brought me back a 3-pack of risottos. So in this video, I'm going to be starting off with this one. It is risotto with asparagus. It's not really focusing, but it's risotto with asparagus. Let's see how this works out. So here I am going to start off by throwing some vegetable broth into my pot. And then I've got some kielbasa sausage here that I sliced up. I'm going to turn my pan on just so I can kind of cook the sausage up a little bit. Now that these sausages are cooked up, I'm going to take them off and save them for later. Runaway sausage. These tongs annoy the heck out of me. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to load this up with some olive oil. That should be enough. And throw some garlic in there. So probably, that's a lot. Like, not very much, just a little bit. Some. Brown. It's a little burnt. Oops. Next, we're going to add our risotto rice. And now we can start adding our broth. So I'm just gonna let that do its thing for a little while. Risotto is my absolute favorite dish to make. This is the first time I'm making it with actual risotto rice. I usually use basmati rice. One time I think I used jasmine rice. It was really good. I'm excited to see how this turns out, really. Now that this has simmered down quite a bit, I've got some carrots and red peppers here. The recipe actually called for celery, carrots, and onions, but I don't like onions, and I wanted more color in this, so that's why I switched out for red peppers. And while this is simmering down a little more, those carrots and red peppers should blend in and cook nice. I'm going to add a little bit of this 2016 J. Lohr Cabernet Sauvignon. I don't think I pronounced that right. Just for taste. So So, ooh, it's really pink, red. That should be enough. Yeah, I don't really even like red wine. And we're gonna let that simmer down so that the alcohol content can be cooked out, so leaving just the flavor of the red wine. Now that our risotto is done, I'm going to, I guess, bowl in a real nice way. We've got a nice bit of risotto. Time for the initial impressions. So we've got our nice pretty bowl of risotto. I'm really excited for this. Blow it because it's hot. That's really good. The wine really gave it a bold flavor. Yeah, bold flavor, and then there's the little bits of asparagus in there, which softened up really nicely in the broth. And my tomatoes. My red peppers and carrots are put. I can't speak English. I'm sorry. The carrots and red peppers are cooked quite well. They're not crunchy. They're perfect. I'm sorry. This is really weird. My sausage, as you can see, is lightly browned on either side and cooked all the way through. I give this a 10 out of 10. Thank you everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Comment below if you want me to try anything else. Otherwise, I'm going to continue on with a couple little craft things here and there. And I've got 2 more packs of risotto to try. But if there's anything else you would like me to try, please leave a comment below and subscribe to see more videos like this in the future. Bye!